Hello, guys. My name is Esteban Tavera, and this is my week 4 exit ticket tutorial for Visual C Sharp. So let's begin. I created a forum for soccer players to track how many goals per game they score after maybe a season or a certain amount of games. I added 4 labels, 2 text boxes, and 2 buttons. Pretty simple. Um, right here, you guys may see these are my labels. Over here, I'm assigning everything to a certain box. Over here, the goals per game is equals to the goals scored divided by the games played. Down here, I am basically displaying my label. And here, last but not least, the exit button. That's how you close it. And then let's do this. Okay, pretty good. Let's say we scored 20 goals in 27 games, which is equals to 0.74 goals per game. Press exit, and it works. Thank you.